Hey guys, Sherry 4x4, that's sherry4x4.com, bringing you another new arrival to our dealership. Another brand new 2018 Jeep Unlimited Rubicon JL. This unit's special. It's got a Rocky Ridge 3-inch suspension lift, 2.5-inch aluminum shocks, front coil replacement, rear coil replacement, lower front control arms, bump stop extensions, sway bar end links. So they've done a really good job with this lift on this particular Jeep in general. A couple things I'm going to go through here with you and show you some aftermarket components along with the factory ones. On the front, you'll see here we got an aftermarket front bumper with a 20-inch light bar. That's a 10,500-pound synthetic rope winch on the front right there. Them bumpers, the rear and the front, which I'll show you the rear here in a minute, is done by Hammerhead, a very reputable company. Stand behind their product. Painted front fender flares, nice front factory hood you can see on there. Rocky Ridge step-up bars, nice and sturdy, definitely good for the off-road. Made out of steel once again, no chintzing on that. Rear painted fender flares. This particular Jeep has 35-inch Nittos on there on an 18-inch Rocky Ridge wheel. Very nice set there. On the rear, you can see the rear bumper we put on here. It also does have the factory sensors put in there. Tire replacement here. We put a new tire replacement carrier on there along with the backup camera, as you can see there. And you can see the rear tire and rim does match the other four. A lot of lift companies will put a smaller rim and tire on the rear to save money, but not Rocky Ridge. They definitely do not miss the beat there. Like I said, painted hardtop. This vehicle, we'll get into the inside. On the inside, it's got a tan leather seating throughout, touchscreen radio, Alpine stereo system, power locks, power windows, cruise tilt, sway bar disconnects. Also got your media inputs right there. 4-wheel drive, high, low. Like I said, it does have an Alpine speaker system, 3-piece hardtop, so you can take these front 2 pieces out and leave the rear on, or once again you can obviously take off all 3 pieces. This vehicle is equipped with remote start also. Once again, this vehicle is a 2018 Jeep Unlimited Wrangler, so Rubicon edition, 3.5-inch lift done by Rocky Ridge. This vehicle is located at Sherry 4x4, sherry4x4.com, or you can contact us on the phone at 937-778-0830.